Think you need million-dollar gear or to jump out of a plane for views? Think again.
Seriously, some people are getting millions of views just by folding socks or filming their lunch. Wild, right?
It's not about being fancy, it's about being smart. Today, we're spilling the secrets on how to turn your everyday life into viral content. Yep, even your scrolling on the couch while eating cereal moments.
We're talking real talk, real strategies, and real examples that blew up.
Ready to go to million views? Let's do this.
Let me tell you about Alix Earle. No Hollywood budget, no reality show deal, just her phone, her makeup bag, and real-life chaos.
She blew up just by filming GRWM videos, Get Ready With Me, while talking about messy nights out, random hookups, and everyday girl problems.
One day, she posted a video getting ready for class while talking about feeling hungover. No script, no glam team, just vibes and vulnerability.
And thousands of views, tons of shares, and comments like, "I'm so glad she's vlogging again. Please keep being consistent." This is literally everything.
People didn't fall in love with filters, they fell in love with honesty. Her regular college girl moments, they felt universal.
That's the lesson. Raw is relatable. So today, we're showing you how to Alix Earle your own content. Because if oversharing while curling your hair can go viral, imagine what your daily life can do.
Step 1, spot relatable moments.
You don't need a main character life. You need moments that scream, "I do that too."
Think of universal struggles and habits. Burnt toast, tangled headphones, forgetting why you walked into a room.
Or emotional roller coasters, overthinking a message, pretending to be okay after someone says K, or falling into the just one more scroll trap.
Make a list of what happens in your day. Write everything, even the weird stuff. Especially the weird stuff.
Like how I name my plants, but forget to water them.
Or how I talk to my food while it's microwaving.
Exactly. The magic is in the mundane, because it's secretly not mundane at all.
Step 2, add a viral spin. Now that you've got your relatable moment, make it pop.
Start with music. Trending sounds are half the battle. Use the TikTok audio search or Instagram's suggested music.
Next, add a clever caption. Something like, POV, you're trying to act normal, but your hoodie string is attacking you. Leverage pain points with humor. We all struggle with stuff. Show it off with style.
Also, drama sells. Turn your coffee-making routine into a horror film. Make dishwashing a romance story. Be weird. The internet rewards it.
One of my favorites was a girl pretending her alarm clock betrayed her like a toxic ex. Genius.
Step 3, keep it short and snappy. Okay, attention span alert. If your video isn't grabbing me in the first 3 seconds, I'm out.
Start with a hook. Big movement, loud noise, or wild caption, something like, I actually cried because my charger betrayed me today.
Keep videos between 10 to 30 seconds. If you need more time, keep it moving. Jump cuts are your BFF.
Show your face, add text overlays, make it scroll stopping.
And don't save the punchline for the end. Hint at it early, so we stay for the payoff.
Use jumpy zooms, reaction sounds, or even just deadpan looks. Your face is a meme waiting to happen.
Step 4, use free tools that work. Let's tech this out. You don't need a studio, just smart tools.
Answerthepublic.com. Type in something like microwave meals or Mondays and it shows what people are searching.
DeepSeek. Ask it to turn a mundane task into a fun skit, like write me a thriller script about overwatering plants. It works.
CapCut. Perfect for quick editing, add subtitles, cuts, and effects, free and easy.
Pictory. Turn scripts into videos. Even auto-finds stock clips and adds music. Content on autopilot.
Want caption help? Try Submagic or use Notion AI to organize ideas by topic. And let's not forget our old reliable ChatGPT. Literally write, give me 10 funny TikTok hooks about laundry. Boom.
Step 5, titles plus thumbnails. Even for shorts.
Never sleep on your titles even if it's a 15-second clip.
Good titles equals more clicks. Use intrigue, irony, or emotional bait.
Examples. My vacuum cleaner just broke up with me. Why I now fear leftovers. Or POV, I tried being productive once.
Add emojis, use caps for impact, and sprinkle some suspense.
For thumbnails, even shorts, use bold text, facial expressions, or overlays that tease the story.
Use free sites like Canva, Photopea, or even edit screenshots with meme text. Anything that stops the scroll.
If your things I overthink before sleep did well, milk it. Do things I overthink while brushing my teeth.
Use the same background, font, music, or structure. This builds audience memory. They see it, they click.
Create a format that people expect, like always ending with a punchline or using the same edit style.
Even repeat scripts with new spins. People love predictable patterns with fresh twists.
And if you talk to the camera, give yourself a character, the unmotivated overthinker. Boom, branding.
Your everyday video becomes a show. That's how creators build loyal fans from random viewers.
You don't need 10 million views to make money.
Real talk. 1,000 loyal viewers can bring you more income than 1 million random ones.
Start simple. Link the affiliate products you mention. My favorite lazy coffee maker. Drop an Amazon link. Easy.
Create a Notion template for your morning routine. Sell it for $5. People will buy it.
Offer editing services. If someone comments, "How'd you make this?" respond with, "DM me, I edit."
Use Ko-fi or buy me a coffee. Let fans support your content directly.
And if you build a style, like memes about burnout or messy life hacks, sell merch that matches it.
You can also launch a digital product, ebooks, guides, or even a course on how to make your couch life go viral.
Keep it connected to you. The more authentic, the more conversions you'll get.
All right, now you've got no excuse. You've got the tips, the tools, and probably 3 viral ideas just from watching this.
So stop waiting for your life to get interesting. Start filming the messy, weird, hilarious stuff you're already doing.
Turn that forgotten laundry pile into content gold. Make your breakfast existential. Turn your to-do list into a dramatic trailer.
Like, share, and subscribe for more content tips that actually work. And remember, viral isn't a vibe, it's a strategy.